Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be the unboxing of my brand new camera. I just recently purchased the Canon SX740HS. This is the box that the camera came in. So this just came with a few things required for the camera, but I also purchased it in an entire kit. So this video is going to show everything that came inside the kit, the camera box itself, and just a few features along with the camera. So as of right now, I'm going to go ahead and lend you guys over to the voiceover. Hey guys, so this is going to be a camera unboxing of my brand new Canon SX740HS camera. This can be used for vlogging, but obviously I'm going to just be using this for all of my main channel videos so far until I get my DSLR camera. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing everything that comes in the kit. This camera was purchased off of Walmart.com for $400 flat, and I'm going to do a few video tests. So it comes with a camera case, it comes with seat protectors, screen protectors, SD card case, a screen cleaning kit, and a SD card reader, also a tripod, and then the camera itself. So on top we have all the papers and information, a battery charger, the battery, the camera sling, and then the camera itself. So this is just a quick example of what the camera charger looks like. You plug it in that way and you just put the camera battery in the little slot. And this is how tiny the camera battery is. So we're going to go ahead and power up this camera and I'll be back with you guys. So we're back, and this is the bottom of the camera. Right next to the mount of the camera is where you insert the SD card and the battery. And all of this video is in fast motion, by the way, because then this video would have been way too long. So it comes with a regular dial, a record button, a zoom button, a power button, all that stuff, basic menu functions and features. It has also a flash button here on the side, and that pops up right away. This feature of the camera has a 40x multiple zoom, and once I power it on, it turns on right away. No time to waste there. And I'm just testing out the zoom features because I did not do this in the video clips that I actually use the camera with. So that's why I'm just showing you guys quick here. And it really does a good job at focusing very quickly. And this is just a quick sample of what the menu itself actually looks like in the camera feature. So yeah, and it's just very easy to use right away off the bat. I knew exactly what I was doing, and I really am excited to start using this camera. And this is how far the lens extends. So it compares to the size of my thumb, and then if you put it to the regular position as soon as you turn on the camera, it's just a teeny bit shorter than where my thumb rests. So I'm going to quickly put this camera on a tripod and show you guys what it looks like with that. And the hole, like I said, is a little bit off center, but it's still fine for vlogging. And once again, the screen flips up so it's easy to see yourself and all that kind of stuff while you're vlogging. So I'm going to go ahead and screw that on. And just to show you guys, I'm going to position the camera a little bit different, show you guys how this stands up. And I heard a few bad reviews about this tripod, but I've seen a lot of big vloggers using it, and it's very easy to use. It stands up on its own perfectly fine, and I love the ball rotation of the mount itself. Like, you could quickly turn it all the way to the side and turn it back. It's not like rough to turn, it's not hard to turn, it's very quick and very easy, and I really enjoyed that feature of it. So I know I'm going to get a good use out of this camera. I'm super excited to start using this. And just for the cause of the video, here is one last final look at how this camera looks in person, live action. Hey guys, so this is an example of footage from my iPhone. I'm doing a small clip of each camera that I've used before so you guys can see the difference with my new camera that I just got. So once again, this is just a short video clip of what the footage and camera quality looks like from an iPhone. Hey dudes, it's Love. I wanted to quickly do a little clip on my old camera so that you can see the difference in the quality based off of this camera that I have right now and the new one that I just got. This is from the past, so I don't really know how I'm going to merge these clips together or if I'm going to show this clip before the other clip, but basically I'm trading in this camera to get a 4 terabyte hard drive, external hard drive, and then I'm going to save up my money to get the new camera, which I already have now by the time you're seeing this clip. So that's basically what I did, because I really don't like my old camera and I don't like how I have to constantly be rebuying batteries, because my camera doesn't like have an external battery that you can charge on its own. Like you have to buy like Duracell batteries and constantly replace them. So I didn't like that, and I also didn't like the quality of this that much, so I wanted to do a nice upgrade. So I finally did, and I'm still going to have other things coming in the future, but that's all I wanted to say for right now. Hey guys, so I quickly wanted to film a clip from my new camera right now. I am super excited about the quality. I hope the audio sounds good. It's so hard for me not to look at the viewfinder right now because it's just so crystal clear. I am loving the way this looks, and I'm in the same spot I was just the other day when I filmed the clip on my iPhone. So now I'm back in the same spot, so you can see the same backgrounds, same lighting, and see the difference in quality and the difference from my other camera to this camera. I'm super excited about this purchase, and I hope you guys enjoy the new quality. Here's a quick comparison of all of my 3 cameras next to each other, with my iPhone 7 on the left, my Sony camera in the middle, and my new camera, the Canon, on the right. And I feel like there is a big difference in comparison between regular lighting in my dorm room versus the studio lights in the center, but I can still say that I do like the video quality of the Canon way better than my Sony camera. And these pictures are kind of average because I just screenshotted them from my computer, but I do really see a big difference between the Canon and my other 2 cameras. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys really like the new quality of this camera. I am loving it so far. The audio is better, the quality is better, the autofocusing is better, and everything just about the camera I'm in love with so far. And I'll let you guys know if you guys want to stay updated with how I'm liking the camera after like 2 months or 3 months and stuff like that, or if there's any bad sides or downfalls of the camera. I'll let you guys know that as well. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.